Welcome to video 2 in our little dresser build series. In the first video we built the drawer. This video we're going to build this the rest of the frame, including these little slide rails inside here that the drawers can move in and out on. So first things first, I'm going to close that one down, open myself up a new part. When it opens up, I'm going to put a sketch on the front plane. I'm going to do a center rectangle, starting right from my origin point. I'm going to make this one 34 inches tall by 26 inches wide. And I am going to extrude it for a depth of 13 inches. Then I'm going to shell out this surface. And I want it to leave 1 inch all the way around. All right. So now all I need to do is make those little rails for the dresser to slide on. To do this, I am going to use a section view. I can come over here and I can pick which section view I want. This right here, see how it slices my frame in half, but it gives me a nice visual in here so I can see what's going on. That's the one that I want. So now I can put a fresh new sketch on this internal surface, and when it rotates I can still see the surface I'm working on. These are just going to be a couple of, this time I'm going to go with corner rectangles. Make myself a corner rectangle that is 1 inch tall, and it goes all the way out until it contacts this line at the rear of the dresser. See that little yellow mark that says I contacted? There we go. I can use my smart dimension to double check. Yeah, I want this to be 1 inch. And the distance from the bottom inner surface here up to it, I want that to be 3.5. So I could just go and draw a bunch more of these, or I can let the computer do the hard work and say I want a linear sketch pattern. And it's asking me which direction do I want this pattern to travel. I want it to travel along this edge. It's asking me what the spacing is. I'm going to want 8 inches, and I'm going to want it to repeat 4 times total. And what do I want to repeat? That shape right there. You can see that it's pushing them to the bottom. Well, this little guy right here, we'll flip that around. So now they're heading up towards the top. And that looks about right. Excellent. So now I can hop out of this, and I can take this and turn it into a feature, which I will extrude a 1/2 inch. There we go. Now I've got those little rails that the drawer can slide on. But I've only got them, I'll get out of my section view, I've only got them on one side. So once again, I could go and redo the whole thing over here, or I can let the computer do the hard work. I'd rather let the computer do the hard work. To do that, I'm just going to say, okay, I want a mirror. It's saying, okay, what face or plane do you want to mirror about? And I come up here into my drop-down menu, and it's not the front, it's not the top. Oh, there it is, the right plane. That looks about good. And I want to mirror a feature. What feature do I want to mirror? I want to mirror these Boss extrudes. There it goes. Gives me a nice little preview. And that looks pretty good. Excellent. So there is my dresser. In the next video, we will assemble it with the drawers. Hope this was helpful. Hope you're having a good day.